There are a number of possible ways to join tubes and accessories in plumbing installations, including threaded joints, soldering, welding, and inseparable joints using press fittings. The Isotubi-USA system consists of a range of accessories and a press fitting tool. This system makes it easy to quickly and safely install. And that is what we are going to cover in this video, Isotubi-USA Press Installation. But before we can install the system, we must first address a few precautions. Storage. Damage and lack of cleanliness should be avoided during transport and storage. Accessories are packed effectively in plastic bags to ensure that they are received by the warehouse or installer in perfect condition. Bending. Stainless steel tubes cannot be bent using heat. Bending using heating damages the properties of stainless steel. And finally, safety first. Always wear the proper protective gear. Minimally, safety shoes, hat, glasses, and gloves should be worn. Due to the design of the jaws and the compression collars, minimum distances need to be respected during assembly of the press fitting joint system. Please refer to the table found in the Isotubi-USA Press System Installation and Technical Information Manual. A link will be provided in the description of this video. Step 1. Cutting. After measuring, cut the tube to the correct length at a right angle, using either a fine-tooth saw, a tube cutting knife, or a fine-tooth electrical saw. The tools must be suitable for stainless steel. Cutting using abrasive discs makes the stainless steel more fragile as a result of the high temperature caused by the friction. When tubes are cut using electromechanical saws, which are cooled with oil or other refrigerants, all traces of oil should be removed so as not to affect the O-ring seals on the accessories. Step 2. Deburr the tube internally and externally to avoid damaging the O-ring upon tube insertion. Step 3. Check the seal is properly placed. The zone contact of the O-ring has to be clean and smooth, as well as free of dirt or grooves. Do not use oil or grease. Step 4. Rotate the tube slowly as you insert it in the joint until the limit. Step 5. Mark the tube as a reference point. Step 6. Place the press fitting jaw in the machine and insert the fastening until it fits. There is one press fitting tool for small diameters, 1/2 inch to 3 inch, and another for large diameters, 4 inch to 6 inch. Only the appropriate jaws, collars, and adapters should be used with the press fitting tool. Step 7. Open the jaw, place at a right angle, and carry out the press fitting. The internal slot in the jaws, or collars, should enclose the edge of the accessory in order to produce an adequate join. Our system uses an M-jaw profile. Step 8. Inspect the press. The strength of the joint results from the accessory and the tube being fitted to each other, creating a durable, inseparable joint. For more information, you can always consult the Isotubi-USA Press Installation and Technical Information Manual, or contact us at our website. The link is provided in this video's description. Quick, easy, and safe installation. Use Isotubi-USA Press on your next project. Please subscribe to the Isotubi-USA YouTube page, like this video, and feel free to leave a comment or suggestion below.